Some products arrive quietly. Others arrive in a suspiciously small box and immediately create drama. The HILERO folding sofa bed belongs to the second category. At first glance, the packaging almost feels like a mistake. The box is compact, modest, even humble. Then the vacuum seal is opened and the foam expands like it's been holding its breath for days. Pets scatter, kids stare, adults pause and reassess reality. Within hours, what looked impossible becomes a full-size, usable piece of furniture that somehow does 4 jobs without complaining. This is a 4-in-1 folding sofa bed that refuses to be boxed into one roll. It works as a floor sofa, a fold-out chair, a sleeper bed, and a futon-style mattress. During the day, it behaves like a relaxed lounge chair for reading, gaming, scrolling, or watching TV. At night, it flattens out into a surprisingly supportive bed that doesn't feel like a pile of folded regrets. The transformation is simple once the rhythm is learned. No tools, no assembly, no instructions taped together with hope. The foam is the quiet hero here. High density and all foam construction means no sagging metal bars, no strange pressure points, and no mysterious noises at 2 a.m. It's firm enough to support adult weight without sinking, yet soft enough to mold comfortably whether someone curls up or stretches out. Even when laid flat, the folds don't announce themselves. Sleep comes easily, which is not something most convertible furniture can claim without lying. The chair mode does have one honest requirement: a wall. Without support behind it, the backrest prefers to fold forward like it's tired of responsibility. Against a wall, though, it becomes stable and comfortable, especially for small spaces where furniture isn't expected to float dramatically in the middle of a room. Apartments, lofts, dorms, vans, playrooms, and guest rooms all feel like natural habitats for this piece. HILERO added thoughtful details that make daily use easier. 2 built-in handles help flip and fold without wrestling foam. 2 side pockets quietly hold phones, books, glasses, or tablets, reducing the chance of losing them somewhere between couch and bed mode. The included pillow is a nice bonus, and the ability to fold the chair in a way that creates a built-in headrest feels like someone actually tested this before selling it. The corduroy cover deserves a mention. It's soft, neutral, and forgiving. Life happens. Juice spills, pets nap aggressively, kids turn furniture into forts. The cover zips off and goes into the washing machine without drama, then returns ready for service. The zipper is hidden, which is a small detail that makes the whole thing feel more considered and less temporary. Storage is another quiet win. When not in use, the sofa bed folds down and slides into the included storage bag. It fits easily into a closet, corner, or car trunk. That makes it especially useful for people who host guests occasionally but don't want a permanent bed taking over their living space. It's also oddly perfect for families, where one child reads on it, another sleeps on it, and someone eventually spills something on it 5 minutes after setup. The real charm of the HILERO folding sofa bed is that it doesn't pretend to be luxury furniture. It knows its role. It shows up, adapts, and makes small spaces feel more flexible. It's the kind of product that gets used every day, quietly claimed by kids, guests, and pets alike, then folded away so the room can breathe again. For the price point, the quality holds up. The foam rebounds, the seams behave, and the design feels honest. It's not flashy, it's useful. And in a world full of furniture that promises transformation and delivers frustration, that's a rare and welcome thing.